What's good, ladies and gents? Welcome back into the channel. I hope you're having a fantastic, blessed Friday. Today we're looking at some of the biggest and best meme coins with the most potential to explode this year, because let's face it, meme coins are fun, they're timeless, and community is just simply invaluable. So we're going to explore this today, guys. We can see here, looking at the meme coin sector, $18.7 billion is the overall valuation, and this is a 1.83% dominance in terms of the overall crypto market capital, which I believe is just over 1 trillion still. So we can see here a few of the blue chip ones sitting in the top 10 sort of section. Yoshi, I've never even heard of that one before, but it's looking pretty popular on this particular listing site. But we're going to jump into it now. Of course, we've just had the crypto sort of market sort of flop a little bit. $40 billion of valuation has unfortunately flocked from the crypto markets because of some disappointing news. So yeah, Bitcoin did momentarily fall below $22,000, and we thought that it was going to go up to like 28k. Maybe it still will. But we can see here the drop comes just a day after leading cryptocurrencies slipped below 23k on Thursday, hitting a daily low of 21.6k, which isn't really that bad, to be honest. So yeah, as a reflection, we are seeing a lot of altcoins now in the red, as Bitcoin does unfortunately delve a little bit deeper to the downside. So guys, I'm also doing a trading competition, which is organized by one of the fantastic moderators. So get yourself into the Discord down below, where we do have a fantastic community here. We've got a trading competition, loads of pre-sales, trading signals, much more as well. And the winners of the trading comps will win $250. So check it out down below. So first one is going to be Doge. This was a great pre-sale that went live last year in around October. It was a phenomenal launch. We saw some people making over 20x of this particular token, and it was really awesome. So when we look at the previous data here, looking at the all-time, we can see Tama came all the way up to 0.20. 20 cents, guys. Now it's sitting at 0.02, so it's corrected by 90%. It's looking rather undervalued. The market cap hit $200 million, and now it's just a very minuscule 20 million. So I do see more upside potential here in the future. And what really excites me is that they're still developing from this day onwards. We can see here there's 28,000 holders according to ethereum, so that's not too many, to be honest. I mean, it's a lot, but in a bull market traditionally you would see way over 100,000 unique holders here. So there is another thing to consider. Now, Doge, why do they get me excited? Because they're still focusing a lot on development, protocol upgrades, and their games. They've just launched their new game, which is known as, I believe, Rocket Doge. It's a new one. The Super Doge was the first one. They've now launched Rocket Doge, which is looking really good, and they've got more games which will be coming soon. Leaderboards, play to earn, they've got an exchange, NFTs, a pet store, so much more. And speaking of NFTs, here are all of the NFTs that we can see here. So the total volume so far has been 324 Ethereum. Best offer, 0.88 wrapped ETH, 2.4 Ethereum on the floor price with 89 unique owners. So that's really interesting. And these particular NFTs for Doge, they do actually enhance your gameplay. They give you different metadata cosmetically. It's not just superficial, so you will get enhanced health, stamina, and attributes in game. So that's really important that you recognize this, because it will help you actually win in these particular games. I'm just going to show you a bit of gameplay right here from the new Rocket Doge, which does look kind of interesting. Not the easiest game, to be honest. When you look at those leaderboards, I mean, all you do is literally hit the space button and you've got to collect as many coins as you possibly can. But I thought this was really cool. Yes, it reminds me of like a mini clip game that you'd sit in, I know, primary school with your friends trying to collect some coins, but the fact that you can actually make a lot of money from potentially doing this. I mean, I'm about to die right now. Oh, I've got some life. Oh, I missed it. Yeah, I completely flopped this, guys. As you can tell, I should just stick to my day job. But you see what I mean? They're developing, they're creating games. So I think that really makes me bullish. So Doge will sit at rank number 1 on this particular occasion. I see a lot of upside potential. Coin number 2, Baby Dogecoin, $350 million market cap. Looking at the historic highs, I mean, there's a lot of zeros on the price tag. I don't really like zeros, to be honest. However, 215, seeing a lot of 24-hour volume, $26.7 million, and most of the volume is coming from pancake swaps. That's really interesting to see the amount of volume that is actually coming through a DEX, even though it is listed on multiple centralized exchanges. BSC scam, we can see here 7 million transfers. That's quite a lot. It's not telling me how many holders there are. I don't actually know why. Do I have to click here? No, I can't actually find out how many holders there are on this particular occasion, but I think it's quite cool. World's best community. Birthed by fans of Doge meme community, simply love, pet and hold, as 5% from each transaction is automatically redistributed to baby Doge holders. So you get rewarded just for simply holding. I mean, it's very, very risky, of course, guys. Auto burn features, auto reflection, locks liquidity. But guys, meme coins will always be risky. Crypto is always going to be speculative, and anything can actually happen. So this is their launchpad right here. Lowest fees on Binance Smart Chain. We can see treats make our tails wag. Swap anything, swap any token on Binance Smart Chain in seconds by just connecting your wallet. They do have also a decentralized exchange. And here we can see some crazy levels of supply. I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous. Look at this. I think that might be 420. I want to say trillion, but that could even be more than 420 trillion. That's outrageously high. But yeah, lots of cool developments here. Really, really strong community, and that's what's so important. Here is their swap page. You can see you can convert BNB and other assets into baby Doge and vice versa. Choose any single token that you like. Coin number 3 is going to be Vita Inu of only $11.7 million market cap right now. Really, really low. Looking back in 2022, the price was a lot higher than this, about 3x higher. Looking at the market cap, actually came up to $18 million. So we could potentially see a bullish reversal at some point. Rank 746 for Vita Inu. Yeah, they're good fun, but I would never risk too much of my liquid net worth for any given period of time, because of course these are going to be risky. Vita Inu has 17,000 unique transfers, 1.8k holders only, which isn't a lot at all. So that's a long way to go in terms of their organic growth and getting more holders into the ecosystem. You can see this says the world's first lightspeed dog coin with 0 fees and smart contracts. Of course, it's very bullish, having 0 fees. People want to trade, swap, and of course operate the DApp here. And by not having fees allows you to have multiple interactions and not lose out on a lot of money. Next one's going to be Doge Bonk, guys. Rank 1,000, $4.4 million here. Another kind of Tamadoge looking sort of price structure where the price went crazy. Now it's in a sideways consolidation phase. So bullish. I'm keen to see where this could go. 58% of Dobo coins are in supply right now, which is kind of a good thing. We don't want to see like 10% and then a huge price shock in the future. And looking at BSC, again, it's telling us there's 42.2k holders, which is actually quite significant. That's really, really impressive, to be honest. Dogebank website right here, the first cryptocurrency sent into space. Lol, sorry, Elon. Reddit's meme of the year, home of meme tools, and the most loved crypto by gamer girls. So really, really cool website. I do like it. Heavily just focus around community and sort of memes and this kind of thing. So it's really interesting. They've also got some games as well, similar to the Tamadoge arcade, but it's hard to say which ones are, truly more lucrative. I think the Tamadoge games are more rewarding. They look more fun. And the last one, guys, Bonk coin, because this went crazy in the last 3 months. We can see some crazy highs of 0.00000415. It's corrected really hard, $48 million market cap, but it did rocket up to like way beyond $250 million. So certainly a lot of appeal for this coin as well. Loads of volume on the 24-hour, which is good. $8.5 million, ranked 2,600. So it's got a long way to climb. It could certainly 10x by the next crypto bull run, but of course by then there could already be so many new coins. Remember, guys, if you're new to the channel, get yourself into the Discord down below. It's a great place to learn. We've got signals, we've got great community, people learning every single day and growing and thriving together. So do come and say hello. I'd love to see you all here. And yeah, here we are, Bonk coin on the Solana. Massive supply, massive supply. Transfers, we can see loads of transfers occurring even just a few minutes ago. Distribution here, what's it going to show here? Loading the largest accounts. Some are holding a lot. I don't know which particular addresses these are. We can see Bonk multi-sig, Bonk treasury. We've got Gate.io holding 5% of the total distribution. Be keen to see who some of these major whales are. Very keen, because 1% of the total circulation is a lot. Of course, this is Doge Bonk coin website. Very, very basic. In fact, there's not really a lot going on here at all. And that's what's so interesting about this meme coin. It was the first Solana dog coin ever, guys. So this coin was inspired to really recover and revive the Solana ecosystem. And it did a very, very good job in doing so. So that's about a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, like I say, just smash the subscribe button. Really, really helps. And I think, you know, going forward, we should probably focus more on what is trending in the market. And of course, guys, if you're still open to looking at pre-sales, I've got some link down below. Not financial advice, you could lose money, but it's worth checking them out and doing your own research and due diligence, because I'm invested in a few and I'm very excited to see what can happen. If you're also new here, I've got a Patreon page where you can subscribe and support me. You're going to get unique benefits. You can see here, early access to pre-sales. Some of them did very well in terms of the return on investment, as we can see here. You're going to get access to the VIP section of the Discord, spot trading signals, leverage trading signals, a free ebook, one-on-one lessons, and anything else you need from Jacob Cryptobury. Yours truly. I will do my best to help you in this crypto winter, because that's what frustrates me. It's noobs entering the market, just being clueless. It's the last thing we want to see. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and I shall see you very, very soon. You lovely, lovely people. Bye for now.